Are fruit enzyme peels safe for all skin types? Title: Are fruit enzyme peels safe for all skin types? Introduction: 100 words. In recent years, there has been a growing trend for natural skincare products, including fruit enzyme peels. These peels are said to offer a range of benefits, from exfoliating and brightening the skin to reducing acne and signs of aging. However, with a myriad of fruit enzymes available, it's essential to evaluate their safety and suitability for all skin types. This article aims to explore the effectiveness and potential risks associated with fruit enzyme peels, shedding light on whether they are safe for all skin types. Understanding fruit enzyme peels, 200 words. Fruit enzyme peels are derived from various fruits such as papaya, pineapple, pumpkin, and citrus. Unlike traditional chemical peels, fruit enzyme peels offer a gentler alternative, making them suitable for people with sensitive skin. Here's a breakdown of how different skin types can benefit from fruit enzyme peels. 1. Normal skin. Normal skin types can generally tolerate fruit enzyme peels. These peels help to even out skin tone, enhance radiance, and promote a youthful glow without causing excessive irritation. 2. Dry skin. People with dry skin should proceed with caution when using fruit enzyme peels. The exfoliating action of enzymes may strip away natural oils, potentially exacerbating dryness. Moisturization after the peel is essential for maintaining skin balance. 3. Oily skin. Fruit enzyme peels are particularly beneficial for oily skin types. They help to remove excess sebum and unclog pores, leading to a reduction in acne breakouts. However, individuals with excessively oily skin should avoid leaving the peel on for prolonged periods as it may exacerbate oiliness. 4. Sensitive skin. Fruit enzyme peels are generally suitable for sensitive skin due to their gentle exfoliating properties. However, it's crucial to choose milder enzymes and perform a patch test before applying the peel to the entire face. If any irritation occurs, it's best to discontinue use. 5. Combination skin. Combination skin individuals can benefit from fruit enzyme peels, especially when applied to areas prone to oiliness and congestion. However, it's advisable to avoid overly strong enzyme formulations that may irritate drier areas. Potential risks and precautions, 300 words. While fruit enzyme peels are generally safe, it is essential to take precautions to minimize potential risks such as irritation or allergic reactions. Here are some key considerations. 1. Patch test. Perform a patch test by applying a small amount of the peel to a clean area of skin, preferably on the forearm. Wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions before applying the peel to the face. 2. Frequency. Start with lower concentrations and shorter application times, gradually increasing the frequency and duration as your skin adapts. Overuse or leaving the peel on for too long can result in skin sensitivity and irritation. 3. Professional guidance. For individuals with specific skin concerns or if you are uncertain about using fruit enzyme peels, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist or skincare professional. They can guide you on the most suitable products and application methods tailored to your skin type. Exploring the benefits of fruit enzyme peels, 400 words. Fruit enzyme peels have gained popularity in recent years due to their numerous benefits for the skin. Let's delve deeper into some of the advantages these peels offer. 1. Exfoliation. Fruit enzyme peels are excellent exfoliators, helping to remove dead skin cells and impurities that can clog pores and contribute to a dull complexion. By exfoliating the skin, these peels promote a smoother, more radiant appearance. 2. Brightening. Many fruit enzymes, such as papain from papaya and bromelain from pineapple, possess inherent skin brightening properties. Regular use of fruit enzyme peels can help diminish the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone, leading to a more luminous complexion. 3. Anti-aging. Some fruit enzymes, like alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, are known for their anti-aging properties. AHAs stimulate collagen production, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Fruit enzyme peels can thus serve as a natural and gentle anti-aging treatment. 4. Acne reduction. Fruit enzyme peels are particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with acne-prone skin. The enzymes work to unclog pores, reduce excess oil production, and promote a clearer complexion. This can lead to a significant decrease in acne breakouts when used consistently over time. 5. Skin texture. Fruit enzyme peels can improve overall skin texture by refining the skin's surface.